In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing multiple clients or organizing your schedule, setting up projects in QuickBooks Online can be an excellent way to streamline your accounting operations. So let's dive in and make project management clear and simple. First things first, you need to be logged into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you've done that, look for the Project section. You'll find this either on the side menu, or you might prefer to use the search bar by typing in Projects. This will ensure you're directed exactly where you need to be. Clicking on the Projects link will take you to the Projects page. Here, you'll see all your past, current, and upcoming projects neatly displayed so you can easily keep track of where your efforts are being allocated. Now, are you ready to start a new project? Locate the button that says Start a Project. This button typically stands out with a vibrant color, so don't worry about missing it. Once you click it, a form will open up where you can enter detailed information about your project. The very first thing you want to do is add your project name. Pick something descriptive so that it's specific enough for you and your team to easily identify and refer back to as the project progresses. Choosing a well-thought-out name can save you a lot of time later when you're tracking or reporting. Next, it's crucial to add the customer information. If your customer is already in your QuickBooks Online account, you can just select them from the drop-down list. If not, you'll have the opportunity to add a new customer to ensure that all the details link correctly. This association will help you maintain accurate records of your business interactions, which is always a good practice. Once your customer is set, establish a start and end date for your project. By having a clear timeline, you'll help keep the workflow structured, providing motivation for everyone involved to stay on track. You can easily select these dates using the calendar provided in the project form. To delve deeper into planning, consider adding tasks directly associated with this project. By clicking to add a task, you'll be prompted to give it a name, which should align with your overall project goals. This helps you focus on individual aspects efficiently. Just like you did for the whole project, assign each task its own due date. Setting these task deadlines ensures each step is completed on schedule, which in turn facilitates a smooth progression from one phase to the next. Finally, once all the details are in place, it's time to save your work. You'll usually find the Save button at the bottom of the project form. Clicking Save will finalize your project setup, and you'll see it appear listed on your Projects page. With these simple steps, you can organize your accounting projects efficiently in QuickBooks Online. Remember, taking the time now to set things up correctly can greatly ease your workflow down the line. Happy organizing, and I'll see you in the next video.